professions are both of essentials to the society. However, I will agree that teachers hold a unique position that extends beyond what farmers do, making them better in society in terms of societal impact and long-term contributions. First, let me begin with the crucial roles farmers play in sustaining human life through food production. Without farmers, there will be no food, and without food, life cannot continue. But let's also consider this: the farmer's ability to cultivate crops, use advanced tools, apply agricultural stems from knowledge, and who provide that knowledge? Teachers. The teacher's role transcends simply on delivering information. They nurture minds, develop characters. Teachers are the backbone of innovation and progress. They mold individuals into doctors, scientists, and yes, better farmers. Through education, farmers have evolved from traditional farming methods to modern, efficient techniques that feed more people and reduce hunger. This is all possibly because of teachers. I hope I have convinced you and not confused you that teachers are better than farmers.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, co-debaters, and my audience. My name is Peculiar Origin, and I'm here to oppose the motion which says teachers are better than farmers with the following points of mine. Point 1, self-sufficiency. Farmers promote self-sufficiency, enabling communities to produce their own food and reduce reliance on external resources. Sustainability and environmental stewardship. Farmers are at the forefront of sustainability, protecting and managing the land and resources that are vital for future generations. I hope I'm able to convince you and not to confuse you that farmers are better than teachers.
I beg to stand as your executive. My name is Michelle Benesi, and I'm here to propose a motion which says teachers are better than farmers with the following points in mind. Teachers influence all professions, and every professional, doctors, engineers, lawyers, nurses, scientists, and even farmers have been taught by a teacher at some point. Building all professions, teachers have a universal impact because they lay the foundation for every profession, transforming agriculture through education. Educators specializing in agricultural sciences, tech modern, soil management, irrigation methods, and sustainable practices. This point highlights how the impact of teachers goes beyond the classroom, influencing farming practices and advancing global innovation. I hope I'll be able to convince you that teachers are better than farmers, not confused.
My name is Desmond, and I'm here to oppose the motion which says teachers are better than farmers with the following point of mine. Point 1, food sector and nutrition. Farmers are essential because they provide the basic human needs. Without farmers, food supply and society will not function. While teachers are educating, farmers can ensure people are fed and healthy enough to learn. Point 2, economic contributions. Agriculture is a major contributor to the economy, especially in countries where farming is a large role in GDP. I hope I'll be able to convince you and not to confuse you that farmers are better than teachers.
Knowledge transfer. Teachers play a vital role in educating future generations and professions, including farming for various professions. Knowledge transfer is an important education where farmers serve as their primary facilitators. They build the gap between information and understanding, turning raw data into reusable knowledge. Teachers impart critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical skills, empowering innovators across cities. Therefore, while farmers provide sustenance, teachers provide sustenance in economic growth, development, and social advancement. Without teachers, there will not be progress in any field. Conclusion: while farmers are vital to our daily survival, teachers are vital to our daily survival in advancement of human civilization. They unlock human potentials, guide societies forward, and ensure that future generations, including farmers, are equipped with the tools to succeed.
Direct impact. This clearly states that the lack of farmers will be more severe than lack of teachers, as food shortages will lead to famine and societal instability. Food is a basic human need, and the agricultural sector sustains communities and economies, making it fundamental to human life. In conclusion, farmers are the backbone of the society. When teachers educate, it is farmers who ensure people are fed and healthy enough to learn. Without farmers, education and other activities will not be possible. Thank you. wealth to them. So it's farmers. Farmers is the one that produce the food that we eat.
Why teachers are better